Welcome to my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm Trader next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and as expected, we can see that 5,000 is acting as a magnet. And if you have watched my previous video, then probably you made some good money here as well. You must remember these arrows because we discussed about the high possibility of liquidity sweep, because 5,000 is a very crucial level, and a breakdown below 5,000, okay, requires a strong significant reason. That's why we discussed that if market breaks 4995, we can look for a quick selling opportunity, but we also need to be careful because of the possibility of liquidity sweep. And yes, we can see that though market has been going down, okay, but ultimately gold is able to survive above 5,000, and at the time of recording the video we can still see the gold is turning around 5,000. If you have been trading for quite some time, then you must know that sometimes these levels, okay, work as magnet and trading becomes difficult. For example, a couple of weeks ago when gold was trading around 5,000, okay, the market was directionless. As a day trader, it was very difficult for us to determine the direction of the market, and sadly we are in the same position. So if you're wondering what is the trend of the market, then we do not have a clear answer. We do not have any trend right now. Obviously, if we look at a daily chart, then we can see a bullish market. Okay, but as a day trader, we don't have any answer. For example, this is the daily chart. Obviously, the market is bullish. For the long-term traders, you must be in buy side. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, uh, how how far the market goes down, but because gold is fundamentally bullish. But if you're a day trader, or if you are a swing trader looking for a position that you can hold for 2 days, 3 days, then you are stuck in this position. In a situation like this, you need to trade from level to level. That is the only solution. You need to be happy with couple of pips. If you're expecting to make hundreds of pips, okay, in a single trade, then my dear friend, you need to be realistic here, because we can clearly see that again market doesn't have a direction. Okay, so where are the trading opportunities? And my dear friend, if market stays like this, okay, if market stays like this, then yes, we can look for some level to level trading. But we should not forget that there's a war going on, my dear friends. Stay in touch with the news. Though gold has not been responding well to the whole war, but still, okay, gold is full of surprises, isn't it? So please stay in touch with the news. So we have drawn FIBO here. We can see the FIBO first level is working nicely. So if market goes up, if the volume remains like this, or in simple words, if the size of the candles remain like this, okay, as a day trader, we can look for a sell around 5070. Okay, this is the first selling opportunity. How much you can expect? Easily you can expect around $8 to $10, means 80 to 100 pips. So once market will hit 5069, 5070 area, you can switch to a lower time frame like 15 minutes. On the 15 minutes time frame, if you see the market is showing prices action from above, you can look for a sell position. So this is opportunity number one. Not a very big opportunity, not a very reliable opportunity, but in a market condition like this, okay, yeah, we can consider it. The second selling opportunity on the chart of gold is around 5100. So here also we have the FIBO 50% retracement level, and we have a round number 5100. So around 5100 to 5105, we can expect a second selling opportunity if market shows price rejection from above. Then we have another selling opportunity around 5137 to 40. So these are the three selling opportunities on the chart of gold if market remains like this, because we have seen earlier also when market stays sideways, market stays choppy, okay, sticking to the levels is the only thing that works. Okay, so around these levels, if market shows price rejection from above, we can look for a sell position. Or if you're following any other strategy in a market condition like this, you are most welcome to use it. But again, repeating my reference, do not forget that there is a war going on. Okay, so suddenly if you see that there is a big green candle on the chart of gold, it means that something must have happened or gold is finally ready to react. Okay. So in case volume comes up, okay, then obviously you try to follow the trend of the market because the overall trend of the market is bullish. So whatever we are discussing are for day traders only, because overall right now we do not have any trend. Okay. So 5070, 510005 and 513740 are the three selling opportunities. Not very reliable ones, but for day traders, okay, we can look for a sell opportunity if market remains like this. Okay. Then on the downside, where you can look for a buy. My dear friends, okay, in a previous video we discussed about the possibility of a buy around 4950. Remember, around 4950, the first dotted line here, because it was a round number. But one thing that we need to understand here is that market has taken support around 4950. To be precise, market has taken support around 4960. So next time the possibility of market taking support around 4950 is less, because market has tested the support of 4960 couple of times. Try to understand the logic here. Okay, so as market has already tested the support of 4960 couple of times, so in the next drop, okay, 4950 may not work. So in that case, we can look for a support around 4900. If market drops big time, we can look for a support around 4900. As I always say, my dear friends, obviously you must also know that these levels do not work as a particular level. Level means zones. So if market takes support around 4905 and market bounces off, do not think the 4900 did not work. Okay, you need to understand that these levels work as zones. So when market will enter 4910, you need to switch to the lower time frame to observe the market behavior. Okay, so if you see the market is taking support around 490405, 4900 or 4895, okay, it means that the market is ready. So in that case, we need to uh, go for a buy position. So keep in mind these levels work as zones in the market, boxes. Okay, so 4900 is the next best support on a chart of gold, where you can look for a buy position. Chances of 4950 working is less, because already market is taken support around 4960 couple of times. Okay, so if market takes support, shows price rejection from below, we can look for a buy around 4900. And if you see that there is a big drop, if you want to go for a risky sell below 495060, it's up to you. Okay, if you want to go for a sell, it's up to you. I won't comment. But if market goes up, okay, and if market behaves according to our expectation, we can look for a sell position. Keep in mind, this type of market is not very friendly. This type of market um, are not very healthy. Okay. Okay, so you need to be careful. For example, okay, if you were for example, around 2 weeks ago, okay, if you were having a very good time, okay, if you made a good amount of money, that doesn't mean that you can make the same amount of money this week as well. Okay, this is the main reason, okay, why most of the traders lose money, because they expect to make the same amount of money each and every day, each and every week, and in each and every market condition, which is not possible. So be realistic, be flexible, do not be a gambler. Bye bye.